When I was a pretty chunky boy, I had loads of problems that I created for myself. Those little things nobody really talks about that when you are overweight is really uncomfortable but can be solved very easily. My biggest one was wearing a hoodie, whatever weather it was. Yes, it was good when it was freezing in winter, but when it's the middle of summer, 30-degree heat in England, you know what it's like. No wind, feels like you're in an air fryer. It is very uncomfortable for a number of reasons. Number one, personally, I have eczema. When your eczema gets too hot and it's rubbing against different fabrics, makes it even worse, so that didn't help. Two, I was fat, so I already had a layer of fat insulating me, cooking me alive in the sun. Then adding another layer on did not help at all. Three kind of relates to reason one, sweating. Sweating a lot more, and people with eczema know sweating makes it really dry and even worse. Now, why was I wearing a hoodie? It's because I was overweight. I had a belly popping out, practically had boobs. Wasn't a good look. What's the easiest way to cover that up? Put a jumper or a hoodie on. I know a lot of you still go through this struggle every single summer. Use the excuse that you love winter more, but I know the real reason. Listen, having a hoodie on in the middle of summer is probably going to bring more attention to you than the fact you're overweight. And it's really, really uncomfortable and just not good for you. You know what else is uncomfortable but is good for you? Tracking your calories, taking progress pictures, monitoring your weight weekly and going into a calorie deficit. Each one of those scenarios is both uncomfortable. But spoiler alert, number two, you're going to feel way better because you're going to see progress. Instead of just succumbing to your own insecurities and turning yourself into a human sauna. It doesn't have to be like this, trust me, and it's not as hard as you think. If you trust the process, get some advice, do some research. Don't just do the 1,000 calorie diet that's only going to last 4 days before you order a Domino's, 20 chicken wings and a Chinese. Speaking from experience there. Map out a realistic goal, a weight loss target, and take it slow. It doesn't have to be done fast. If you do it too fast, it's going to go by all too quickly. It's not going to be sustainable. And you're not going to learn how to keep the weight off. Trust me, I've been there. I've lost all the weight before, put it all back on. But this is the only time now I've lost it and kept it off. So pick your struggle.